Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Quantum computing isn't science fiction anymore. It's a real technology with the power to solve complex problems in minutes that would take today's computers thousands of years. That's why investors are starting to pay attention. Companies like IBM, Google, and startups like IonQ are pushing the boundaries, making quantum computing stocks an intriguing opportunity. While it's still early, the potential for growth is massive. This guide breaks down how to invest wisely in this fast-moving field. If you're looking for the next big tech investment, quantum computing deserves a closer look. The race is on. Here's what you need to know. Understanding quantum computing and its market potential. Quantum computing isn't just a faster version of traditional computing, it's a completely different way of processing information. While classical computers use bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This lets them solve complex problems in fields like drug discovery, cryptography, and financial modeling in a fraction of the time. The market potential is staggering. Early adopters in finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity are already testing quantum solutions, and investment is pouring into the space. If you're considering quantum computing stocks, understanding where this technology is headed and who stands to benefit can help spot the best opportunities. Key industries impacted by quantum computing. Quantum computing will shake up industries that rely on heavy data processing or complex simulations. Here's where it's making waves. Healthcare. Drug development could accelerate dramatically. Quantum computers can analyze molecular structures and predict reactions far faster than traditional methods, potentially cutting years off research timelines. Finance. Banks and hedge funds are exploring quantum algorithms for portfolio optimization, fraud detection, and risk analysis. Some firms already run quantum-powered simulations for trading strategies. Cybersecurity. Current encryption methods may become obsolete as quantum computers crack codes in seconds. Companies developing quantum-resistant security solutions are a smart investment angle. Logistics and supply chain. Optimization problems, like routing deliveries or managing warehouse stock, can be solved in real time, slashing costs for big retailers and manufacturers. These sectors are just the beginning. As quantum tech matures, new use cases will emerge. Market growth projections and investment opportunities. Analysts predict the quantum computing market will grow from $1 billion in 2024 to over $10 billion by the end of the decade. Governments and Fortune 500 companies are investing heavily, signaling long-term confidence in the technology. Here's where the money is flowing. Hardware developers. Companies building quantum processors like IBM and Rigetti are critical to advancing the tech. Their stocks could soar as quantum adoption expands. Quantum software firms. Even the fastest hardware needs specialized software. Startups like Zapata Computing focus on programming tools for quantum applications. Hybrid cloud providers. Businesses won't buy quantum computers outright. They'll rent processing power via the cloud. Microsoft and Amazon already offer quantum cloud services. Early-stage investments carry risk, but the upside is huge. Watching which industries adopt quantum solutions fastest can help pinpoint the smartest stock picks. Top quantum computing stocks to watch. Quantum computing stocks are gaining attention as the technology moves from labs to real-world applications. Investors have a mix of options: established tech giants diving into quantum, specialized pure-play companies, and innovative startups. Let's break down the key players worth watching. Established tech giants investing in quantum. Big tech companies are pouring billions into quantum research, making them relatively safer bets for long-term investors. These firms have the resources to explore quantum's potential while balancing risk with their core businesses. IBM. A leader in quantum hardware, IBM offers cloud-based quantum computing through its IBM Quantum Network. Its roadmap includes scaling up to 1,000-plus qubit processors by next year. Google's Quantum AI Lab achieved quantum supremacy in 2019 and continues to push boundaries with error correction breakthroughs. Its partnerships with NASA and other agencies add credibility. Microsoft. Through Azure Quantum, Microsoft makes quantum tools accessible to businesses. Its unique approach with topological qubits could set it apart if successful. Amazon. Breakit, Amazon's quantum cloud service, partners with startups like Rigetti and IonQ, letting the company benefit from quantum without developing its own hardware. These stocks are less volatile than pure-play options, but still offer exposure to quantum's growth. Pure-play quantum computing companies. For investors who want direct exposure, these companies focus entirely on quantum tech. They're higher risk, but could deliver huge rewards if breakthroughs accelerate adoption. IonQ, NYSE, IONQ, a leader in trapped ion quantum computing, IonQ has partnerships with Google, Hyundai, and Airbus. Its systems are among the most stable available today. Rigetti Computing, NASDAQ, RGTI. Specializing in superconducting qubits, Rigetti combines hardware with cloud access. Its recent financial restructuring aims to extend its runway for innovation. D-Wave, NYSE, QBTS. While not a universal quantum computer, D-Wave's quantum annealing tech excels at optimization problems. Companies like Volkswagen use its systems for logistics. These stocks are speculative, but could surge if their technology gains traction. Startups and smaller players making waves. Beyond publicly traded names, these emerging players could disrupt the space or become acquisition targets for bigger firms. PsiQuantum. A stealth mode startup backed by Microsoft and BlackRock, it's working on photonic quantum computing. Rumors suggest an IPO within the next 2 years. Quantinuum. Formed by Honeywell's quantum spinoff merging with Cambridge Quantum, it focuses on both hardware and enterprise software solutions. Quantum Motion. This UK-based company is developing silicon-based quantum chips, potentially lowering production costs if successful. Smaller players often trade over the counter or remain private, but keeping an eye on them could reveal future opportunities. Each category offers distinct risks and rewards. Investors should weigh long-term potential against volatility when building their quantum portfolio. Risks and challenges in investing in quantum computing stocks. Quantum computing stocks promise high rewards, but they also come with real risks. Unlike investing in well-established tech sectors, this field is still young, full of unknowns, and prone to setbacks. Before putting money into quantum stocks, it's worth understanding the major roadblocks ahead, because betting on the future isn't a sure thing. That's it for Part 1. We've covered the basics and how you can start investing. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll go deeper into the best stocks to watch and how to make smarter decisions. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.